In the near future, waiters could become a thing of the past as smart robots like Bellabot are already performing this challenging job better than humans. Developed by the Chinese company Pudu Technology, Bellabot is designed specifically for carrying food in restaurants. It features 4 trays, each capable of holding up to 10 kilograms, and has a wide viewing angle that allows it to recognize and avoid obstacles such as customers and furniture, making it ideal for crowded spaces. The robot is highly accurate and ensures that orders are delivered correctly without mistakes, making it a reliable and efficient solution for food service in busy environments. Gomer is a versatile companion robot developed by GLI Technologies in China, designed to be helpful in various home settings. It has a hand capable of lifting and carrying objects, with a delicate grip suitable for handling even fragile items. Equipped with a camera, Gomer can take photos and videos for sharing on social media and allows for remote communication, enabling you to see and hear what's happening around the robot on your smartphone. The facial recognition system enables Gomer to greet people by name, adding a personal touch. Available for around $400, this robot aims to become a helpful friend and a valuable member of your household. The Lovot is an adorable robot designed by the Japanese company GrooveX to captivate with its charming appearance and serve a meaningful purpose. Its design is meant to evoke feelings of affection, as the company believes that while technology advances, many people still struggle with loneliness and depression. Lovot is created to be a loyal companion, providing comfort and emotional support. The name itself is a combination of love and robot, reflecting its purpose. The robot can recognize people, maintain eye contact, and respond to affectionate gestures, making it an ideal companion for those seeking to improve their mental well-being and reduce stress. However, this innovative robot comes at a steep price of around $3,000. Fortunately, finding a cool robotic friend doesn't have to be expensive, as there are many affordable options available, like the MiPosaur developed by the Chinese company Huawei. This robotic dinosaur is equipped with various sensors that enable it to detect and respond to movements around it, allowing it to perform different tricks based on its owner's gestures, such as turning, tilting forward, or moving backward. What sets MiPosaur apart is its personality. As it reacts to being mistreated if you pull its tail or push it, the robot will playfully show its displeasure by roaring and following the attacker. Despite its advanced features and playful nature, the MiPosaur is available for just $150. If you've always wanted to keep a cat but couldn't due to allergies or other reasons, MarsCat from the Chinese company Elephant Robotics offers the perfect solution. This hypoallergenic robotic pet skillfully imitates the habits and movements of a real cat. It reacts to touch, recognizes voices, sees people, and understands if they want to play or communicate. With its built-in collection of sounds, MarsCat can express emotions, allowing owners to understand its mood. The developers claim that, like a real cat, each MarsCat is unique, developing its own personality and habits based on its interactions with its owners. Additionally, MarsCat is open source, making it customizable and suitable for learning the basics of robotics. The minimum price for this innovative pet is $650. Moxie is a unique robot designed to assist in raising and educating children by becoming a friendly companion that engages in conversations, offers advice, and helps them explore the world while learning useful skills. The robot software includes various missions for children to complete, such as reading stories, drawing pictures, or creating thoughtful messages for their parents. Moxie also encourages socialization by asking the child about their day and guiding them on how to make friends, with many missions focused on stimulating social interaction, such as inviting other children to discuss specific topics. Parents can select these missions using a smartphone, providing a tailored experience. For example, before a dentist appointment, Moxie will explain who dentists are and why there is no need to fear them, and afterward, it will ask how the visit went, helping to reduce stress. Moxie will soon be available for around $1,500. Loomo is a unique invention that serves not only as a companion robot, but also as a self-balancing scooter equipped with a built-in camera and an auto-follow function. It can capture dynamic videos and high-quality photos while navigating through the city, skillfully avoiding obstacles as it follows you. With its built-in speaker and camera, Loomo allows you to be in two places at once. You can send the robot to another room and communicate with family members, friends, or colleagues remotely. This versatile device is priced at $1,800. Evo is a tiny robot developed by the Czech team Mojobot, designed to teach both children and adults the basics of coding. Its primary function is to follow lines drawn on paper, but it does much more by distinguishing colors, allowing it to be programmed to change speed, stop, turn, or perform various tricks using its patented color command language. You can control Evo using markers or stickers, making it an engaging and intellectual hobby that doesn't require the internet or digital devices. It's also a valuable educational tool, as research has shown that Evo increases student engagement in the learning process and is recommended by 95% of teachers, making it ideal for use in schools. Mojobot is an educational robot designed to teach basic coding, math, algorithms, and science through a unique operating principle. Instead of using lines and colors, it is controlled by placing special chips on a console, each representing a specific command, such as turning or moving forward or backward. Children can learn to program the robot by arranging these chips to make it move in a particular way. The set also includes a Monopoly-like board game, making the experience more engaging and interactive. Mojobot offers an enjoyable and educational pastime and is available at a minimum price of $130. Alfred is a compact robot designed to enhance your daily life by acting as a personal assistant in various situations. In the morning, it functions as an alarm clock to wake you up and then serves as a projector during breakfast, displaying the news and your emails. Alfred can remind you to bring an umbrella if rain is forecasted and is also useful at the office for presentations. You can leave it at home to monitor your pets with its camera or take it along to scan documents, take photos, record videos, and even play movies. With its numerous features, Alfred is a versatile companion available for a minimum price of $500.